Author, Pooyan Ghamari, Swiss visionary. The notion of combining Swiss direct democracy and decentralized autonomous organizations, DAOs, is an inspiring prospect for future governance. This hybrid system can potentially bring together the best of both worlds, culminating in a comprehensive, democratic, and transparent framework. The integration requires a deep dive into various crucial aspects to understand the complexity and potential of such a synthesis. Distribution of authority. Inspired by the Swiss system, the blended governance model could employ a hierarchy of decision-making bodies within DAOs. Various levels of memberships, analogous to Swiss Cantons and the Confederation, can be established to handle different types of decisions, maintaining a balance of power and ensuring efficiency. Active civic engagement. The Swiss model, with its mandatory voting system, offers an example for fostering active engagement within DAOs. Encouraging participation through incentives or requirements could ensure a vibrant and active community, which is essential for the DAO's functioning. Resolution of disputes. A mechanism for resolving conflicts is vital for any governance system. For DAOs, a combination of automated resolution via smart contracts for basic issues and human-based arbitration for complex disputes could be a viable solution. Civic education. A high level of civic awareness is necessary for the effective functioning of both systems. In this blended model, initiatives to educate citizens about blockchain technology and DAO operations are essential. Dynamic adaptability. The ability to adapt to evolving circumstances is a key feature of both systems. For DAOs, upgradable smart contracts could serve as their equivalent of constitutional amendments, allowing the organization to keep pace with changes. Minority rights protection. The Swiss model's emphasis on minority rights is a crucial principle that should be applied to DAOs. Mechanisms to prevent the concentration of power in the hands of a few and ensure equal representation are fundamental in this blended system. Security and privacy. Drawing from blockchain technology, this new system should provide strong data security while also respecting the privacy of its members. This could involve using cryptography for secure voting and communication, and zero-knowledge proofs for preserving privacy. Financial autonomy. In the context of DAOs, financial autonomy is a central feature. This means the ability for the organization to manage its own resources independently, similar to how Swiss cantons have a degree of financial autonomy. Interoperability. The system should allow for interoperability with other organizations and systems, as both Swiss cantons and DAOs need to interact with external entities. This could involve creating standards for data exchange and communication. Collaborative decision-making. The system should facilitate collaborative decision-making, as seen in the Swiss consensus democracy model. This can prevent decision-making gridlocks in DAOs and ensure smooth functioning. Inclusion and accessibility. The system should be inclusive and accessible, allowing all members to participate, regardless of their technical knowledge. User-friendly interfaces and support systems could help to achieve this. Checks and balances. Drawing from the Swiss model, the new system should have checks and balances to prevent misuse of power. This could involve creating different branches within the DAO with separate responsibilities. Fraud prevention. The system should have strong measures to prevent fraud and manipulation. This could involve using blockchain technology for transparent and tamper-proof voting and financial transactions. Sustainability. Both DAOs and the Swiss system need to be sustainable over the long term. This might involve having reserves for unforeseen circumstances or mechanisms for continuous funding. Digital identity verification. In the context of DAOs, a secure and privacy-respecting digital identity system could ensure a fair, one person, one vote principle, similar to the Swiss system. Community welfare. Lastly, like the Swiss social security system, DAOs should consider mechanisms to ensure the welfare of their members, which could involve distributing a portion of profits to members. This comprehensive vision for a blend of Swiss direct democracy and DAOs promises a revolution in governance models. However, translating this vision into reality will require extensive technical and legislative work, robust security measures, and, most importantly, a commitment to uphold democratic values and the welfare of the community.